Hey guys, so this is the final look, as you could see. Um, yeah, I wanted to do kind of like a pumpkin cold brew inspired makeup look. I see everybody lately has been doing pumpkin spice latte makeup look, so I kind of wanted to put my spin on it and try something new. Why did my cat open the door right when I'm doing it? Make it more awkward. Anyways, yeah guys, so if you would like to see me do this look or try to get this look yourself, honestly all the products are super affordable. I don't have anything crazy out of this world. If you saw my makeup therapy video, it's literally probably the same products because I just do with what I got, girl, and I make it work. And boy, girl, anybody, and if I could do that, you guys can too. Recreate your own looks this season. I mean, I know everybody already is. Makeup is so beautiful. It's such a wonderful, beautiful thing that makes us all feel so just, I don't know, like happy and beautiful. Like, I don't know, makeup is just awesome. But yeah, guys, if you would like to see this nice pumpkin spice cold brew look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching my pumpkin cream cold brew makeup tutorial. Honestly, when I thought about this, I was like, what am I gonna do? Because I've been seeing everybody lately do the pumpkin spice latte makeup look, so I was like, let me put my own little spin on it, alright? Because I threw in a little bit of brown in there, a little bit of the... This was like what I was thinking. This is like the cold brew right here. This is like a little bit of like the pumpkin coming out, like an original pumpkin color, right? And then this is like the little cream you got going on. And then this could be like the little foam or whatever you want to call it. You know, like froth, like, I don't know. That's just what I was thinking, you know. But look, y'all, make the look your own, okay, at the end of the day. But I hope you guys really like this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed my version of a pumpkin cream cold brew makeup look, and honestly it's not that bad. It's not hard. Well, I mean, I don't know. I mean, make this look whatever you guys want, do whatever you want for the season. I mean, makeup is so fun at the end of the day. Yeah guys, I hope you like this tutorial. Bye.